project book.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're returning BPP family, welcome back. Loves, kisses, and hugs to you all. Today is video 3 in the Organized February series, and today is the cleaning closet. This is what we're going to be tackling with today. Now, this is an update to the cleaning closet that I've already had organized several years ago, and during that time frame I known what worked and what didn't work. And you know, when you have an organized system like this, you try it out by actually working in it, using it, and see what works for you. If everything is fine, then that's good, but if it's not, you do some adjustments. So this cabinet right here is our cleaning closet. So I'm going to open it up and show you what's going on with it, and then we're going to clean it out and start anew. So the top part is supposed to be all the cleaning solutions and things of that nature. And the bottom part is supposed to be the cleaning tools or supplies. So right here at this very top, that basket right there, so it holds all of my cleaning DIY supplies. I love making my own DIY cleanser years ago, until I came across a cleanser that was just as clean and earth friendly, and I start using that. So I haven't used the DIY cleaning supplies in a while, so that may come out. Right here are the cleaning pads to go with my wet sweeper or Swifter. So we have refills there, and then we come down here and we have supposed to be cleaning supplies, our stock. But as you can see, we have a lot other things in here. These amber jars here are jars that my husband gave to me, and I cleaned the label off and everything. And I wanted to use these as refill jars for bottles and stuff, like for my DIYs and things of that nature. But they still up here. I have 4 of them. I don't know if I'm going to keep them because I still think I will use them, but who knows. And inside further, we have some DIY cleaning solution there, and it's just all jumbled up. There is no system up here, and I like for it to be a little bit more organized up here so I can see where is the all-purpose cleaner, where is the glass cleaner, where is the floor cleaner, things of that nature. And this is just jumbled up in there. We're going to have to figure out another system. We will have some cleaners that's way back in the back that has not been used in ages. I don't know if you can see back there. And it's just filled with cleaning stuff. So we're going to have to purge. This right here was for the paper towels, I believe. And we have other things other than paper towels in here. We have our cleaning bucket in here that will not be in here in this shelf. It'll be, I'm going to put that somewhere else. And then it's filled with newspapers. I mean, that's okay to have newspapers in this area because I do use newspapers when I'm cleaning windows and things of that nature. So maybe I could find a place in here for the newspapers. Then, as we get down to the tools, this is working, but it's just the way I have things in here is not working. I'm going to have to rearrange this because I like it. It's the way I keep my vacuum cleaners. I think that it's not working because it's overcrowded and it's not organized the way I want it to be organized, so it works better. So that's what we're going to do there. We're going to rearrange this so it works better. And then we have stuff on the floor that's falling from here because it's being overstuffed. So in the beginning, we used to have rags up here and then polish here, and then we had the cleaning tool pads and things of that nature, and it works somewhat, but somewhat it didn't. So we're going to have to rethink how we are going to arrange this on the door, because I do like that is a great space to use for some organization, and I think I like this, and I'm going to keep this on the side. So we're going to take all of this out and go to start fresh so we can update this cleaning closet. So that's our plan. Okay, everybody, so these are the items that came out of that cabinet. Quite a few things here. So I'm going to purge some items that are duplicates, and also some items that the bottles are almost empty, like this one right here. We're going to pour this into the bottles that's in the kitchen area. And some items in here that shouldn't be in here, like this grout sealer that needs to go with my husband. And we have some industrial cleaner. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep those in here or not. My husband loves to use those, so those might go with his cleaning items. Here's the cleaning cabinet, all cleaned out. And we're going to wash these shelves down and produce a little repair here that we got right here. Probably need a little repair. And then we're going to put some shelf liners in here and label the shelves and the bins that needs to be labeled. So we even cleaned these out. That needs to be pretty cleaned out and labeled. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, everyone, we have finished labeling the shelves and the bins, and now I'm going to take you through and let you see what I've done. Right here at the top shelf is where it says house. This is all the miscellaneous things around the house that needs to be changed or what have you, like light bulbs, trash bags, air filters, paper towels, things in that nature. We come down to the second shelf, which is surfaces, and this is all of our areas of the home that needs to be cleaned, like windows, floors, and I have a label that says other, and that's for counters, shelves, and furniture. And then we come down to the third shelf, which are our refills, and these are the items that we will be using to refill these items here or up there. So everything here is for bath, kitchen, and all purposes. And right in the back are the very large items, like your gallons of glass cleaner and things of that nature that I can use as refills. Then we get down into our utility closet, and as you can see, everything is cleaned out, but I installed two hooks. The first one is right there in the back, and these are for my mop accessories. Sometimes the handles on my Swifter or my steam mop might be too long, or it needs accessories that comes with it, and I will clip it there. Then we come to the other clip here on the side, and this is where I keep my dustpan and broom. Next we move over to the door, and here we have 3 bins that I labeled and cleaned out. The first one is all of our sponges. The second bin would be our clean rags, and the third would be all the mop supplies, like your attachments and things in that nature. So this is what we have. Now what I'm going to do is fill everything up, and you can see what it finally looks like, and we'll be done with this video. Okay, so on the first shelf, has everything to do with the home and miscellaneous or general things. So we have paper towels here, air freshener, trash bags, light bulbs, and air filters. And that's way in the back, and that's what we have here for the top shelf. On the second shelf, we have everything to do with surfaces. That's from polishing furniture, cleaning wood floors, carpet deodorizer, everything that have to do with glass, like windows, glass top tables, things of that nature. So that's everything that we need for surfaces here. On the third shelf, we have our refills, and these are all the items that we need just in case we run out of items in the kitchen. We can refill everything here. So we have everything for all-purpose cleaning. That's ammonia, cast oil, soap, Pine Sol and Ajax on this side. Here we have everything to do with the kitchen and the bathroom. So this is bath toilet bowl cleaner. We have the dishwasher detergent to refill that. The dishwasher rinse in the back to refill that. We have our deodorizer here. And then way in the back here we have our SOS soap pads. This is the dishwasher detergent rinse. And then as you can see way there in the back, we have the gallon jars of everything that we have here to also refill these jars when they run out. So everything that comes in these jars will refill the items that's under the sink in the kitchen or in the bathroom. So that's our refill shelf. On the side door, we have all of our sponges. Now, if you remember, this was a chaotic mess. We had rags here. We had paper here. We had everything other than what it just should be. But I have it nice and organized now. Everything is in a place where it should be and it's easy to access. And I love that. So the top bin is all of our sponges. We have our kind sponges and our crushed walnut sponge. And then on the second one, we have all our clean rags. We have our microderm rags and washcloths and towels. And then on the third shelf, we have our mop accessories that goes with our steam mop. Right now, it's just a cup there that we use to fill the water in the steam mop. Then inside the closet is all of our utility tools that we use to clean our home. Right there in that section there is our Swifter mop. So I have the handle and a little handle keeper there that clamps the handle and keeps it out of the way because it's too tall to fit in here. So thank goodness it comes apart and I can easily get them both and put them together when I need to use it. And it fits nicely right there in the corner, so it's not in the way. And then in the center we have in the back there my steam mop that's nicely clamped, and then we have the vacuum cleaner in the front. The floor is nice and clean, nothing is falling on the floor. And then we have our dustpan here and the brush that's hooks on the side. Now I have a rack that I'm going to install on this side, and that is going to hold all of our pads and things of that nature. These pads that goes with our steam mop. Now I was thinking about putting them here, but I really did want that to be the accessories like tools for the steam mop, so I wanted to keep that. But I have a rack that I'm thinking about installing and put these on the side like so. So you will see that once everything is installed in the room tour when I get ready to share everything with you guys. So this is the utility closet. It's nice and clean and orderly and organized. I love it. Everything is great. We can see everything that we need. And then that's the same here on the second shelf and the third shelf. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys receive some great ideas how to organize your cleaning closet or cleaning pantry or cleaning cabinet. All the things that you see here I've already had, except for those amber bottles. I did purchase those from Amazon, and that would be linked in my Amazon store. Thank you again for being a BPB member, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos. Okay guys, so that's it for me today. I'll see you on the next video. Smooches!